What's up guys, and welcome back to the most special episode I've ever filmed in Carholic so far. Today I'm going to be driving the most beautiful car in the world, the Jaguar E-Type. My hair's a mess, I'm freezing cold, but I don't care because I'm in the most iconic car in the world, the Jag E-Type. So, the E-Type, built in 1961 by Jaguar in the UK in a small town called Coventry, designed by a guy named Malcolm Sayer. Sorry, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. His design was to be the most iconic design of all time. Even Enzo Ferrari himself said this was the most beautiful car in the world. It was so popular, in fact, that when they launched it at the Geneva Motor Show in Switzerland, they had to drive another one through the night just to meet the demand to get down to Geneva. Now that today is a long trip, which I'm actually doing tomorrow. I'm going down to the Alps, which is near Geneva. But in 1961, in one of these, that was mental. So what do we got? We've got a 5.3 litre naturally aspirated V12. It doesn't produce a huge amount of horsepower by today's standards, around, I think it's just less than 300, the real figures on the screen now. But it's the way it delivers it, it's the entire package. It's a really, really comfy car to drive, which is the shocking thing. Okay, it's a little bit small and the legroom's a little bit cramped, but who cares, because in the words of the Godfather himself, Jeremy Clarkson, you're driving a Jag. And considering that this was a blueprinted race car, this engine was originally built for racing. It's unbelievable. Every gear change is phenomenal. The clutch, it's a little bit on the heavy side, but it gives feel. When you drive this car, like I said, it's not difficult to drive, but when you get out of it, you feel like you've climbed Everest. And we might not want to climb Everest, but we all know what the feeling is going to be like when you make it to the top. Why wouldn't you want that? Right, so the sound. It's not as loud as you would think. It's not quiet. You can hear it coming. It's not as loud as you might think. It's not as loud as like a model Ferrari or something like that. It's got 4 wastegates at the back. I think it's straight through, I'm not sure. There might be a small muffle. But it's just smooth. It's a completely smooth ride. There's nothing more you could want. I mean, in the 60s when they released this only had I think it was a 6-cylinder engine. Straight 6. Now, by 71, 10 years later, they put a damn V12 in it. I mean, how mental is that? A V12 in 1971 in a road car. And the best thing about this car, it's 3 times cheaper than a Ferrari. And there was another factor as well that Ferrari didn't like. It was 3 times better. Well, let's talk about performance. It's quick. Okay, it's not supercar quick by today's standards, but I mean sub 7 seconds to 60. I mean it's got the same type of acceleration as an Abarth 595, my old car. But it's just the way it accelerates. You drop a gear into second, you put your foot down and noise! Oh my god! It's like a Spitfire. You can hear every single ignition and spark plugs. You can hear every piston moving up and down. Just where I am, if I sit up a little bit through the ventilation slats in the bonnet, I can see the turning of the accelerator pedal, letting the fuel into the engine. It's crazy. It's such a pure experience. Oh, I've never driven a car quite like this in my life, except the time I drove it before. But this is even better. You feel like Sterling Moss going around a racetrack. Okay, he drove McLarens, but this is an E-Type. Get into gear. Get into gear. Please. Thank you, sir. It's 6 degrees out. I've got the wind in my hair. I've got my driving gloves on like a right knob. And I've got an E-Type. How much better can life get? It really, really can't. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did actually making this video. This was my favourite one to make. That car, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. It's that
good. It's so good. I mean, it's the first time I've driven it on camera. I've driven it a few times before, but this was the best time I've driven it. Maybe because being on the camera makes you come out with all these different phrases and expressions and feelings of emotion that you don't when you just drive it normally. But everything I said is true, and I'm going to say it. Enzo Ferrari said it. That is not only the best looking car, that's the best car ever made. Okay guys, let me know what you think. Comment below. If you don't like it, or you have another feeling, or you have another favourite car, comment below. Remember to like and also subscribe, and check back soon. More content coming soon, guys. Take care.